How to create mix and match product bundles in WooCommerce. Navigate to WooCommerce products and click Add New to create a new product. Set a name for your mix and match product bundle. Click on Set Product Image from the right sidebar and select an image for your product bundle. Now navigate to the Product Data panel and select Product Bundle as the product type. The Product Bundles tab will appear in the Product Data panel. Navigate to the Product Bundles tab and click the Add Item button to add a new bundle item. In Item 1, in the Default Product field, search and select a variable product as the default product. With the Sort Products field, you can sort selected products by ID, title, menu order, date, price, popularity, and rating. You can set the default quantity for each bundled product item in the Quantity field. Check the Edit Quantity by User field to allow the user to change the quantity of a product and set the minimum and maximum quantities for each item. In the Discount field, you can set a discount for selected products by percentage, price, or fixed price. Then click on the Add Item button to add a new item to the bundle. In Item 2, in the Categories field, search for the category and select that. And set a discount for the selected category. Now navigate to the Display tab of Item 2. Overwrite the bundle item selected product title from this field. Overwrite bundle item short description. Change the title of the bundle's empty item from this field. Change the product list product selection title from this field. Change the pop-up header title from this field. And set an image for the empty item from this field. Set the minimum total quantity of products from this field. Set the maximum total quantity of products from this field. Set the custom display price from this field. Set the title for the product bundle from this field. Set bundle description from this field. And at the end, publish changes. Step 2. Configure the plugin settings. Navigate the Product Bundles tab in the WordPress dashboard. In the Item View field, as you see, you can configure various settings. In the Change Product Model field, you can configure the number of products per pop-up page. In the Styles field, you can customize the colors of different parts of your bundle and set the product image object fit CSS. At the end, save changes. Now open the permalink to see the created mix and match product bundles on the front. Now you can see the bundle image, title, description, and the 2 added items. Added a default variable product for item 1, from which the customer can select attributes from a drop-down menu. With clicking on each item, pop-up page opens. By clicking on the info icon, product information page opens. By clicking on Item 2, customers can see the added category for Item 2. By clicking on the image icon, display the product images page. List of selected products. At the back end, we set the minimum total quantity of product, and when the total quantity of selected products is less than that, an alert message for the minimum total quantity purchase is shown. Calculated total price. And when the total quantity of the selected product is more than the set maximum total quantity, an alert message for maximum total quantity purchase is shown. Now we click on Add to Cart to see the mix and match product bundles in the cart. The mix and match product bundles is seen in the cart like this.
Thanks for watching. Please support us by like and subscribe to our channel, and checking the description for more information.